Hey, welcome back to the channel. It's time, February 1st, time to kick off the group build off for the Strictly Box Stock Model Car group on Facebook.
もういい、そんなお願い。何も全部相手にしてくれないからもうこっちにしかない。バカ、I'm here. ここだよ。早く来て。
What about me?
James.
We're building the Mercedes AMG GT3 from Tamiya. So the rules are pretty simple. Build it box stock. You can use aftermarket decals. You can use whatever livery you want. You can use carbon fiber decals. You can use any decals you want. The only thing I ask is that you don't use wires, turned aluminum, resin parts, flocking. Don't chop the top on it. Just build it as a Mercedes AMG GT3 race car and have some fun with it. It's a pretty easy kit, and I think you'll have some fun. I ask if you are a YouTube creator to post videos of how you're doing on the build. And if you're not a YouTube creator, go ahead and post pictures on the Facebook group. Make sure you tag them with hashtag SBSGT3. That way we can keep them all organized and it won't get all mixed up with someone's 32 Ford or something. So good luck, and I will post my first video in a week with progress, and you can either get started now or you can follow along after I post my first video. I think we're gonna have a good time, and I'm really interested to see how many people are gonna be joining in, how many people are going to be joining in on this group. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
What's that sound?
James, who are you talking to?